Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh has received a threatening WhatsApp voice note allegedly demanding crores in ransom, according to Mumbai police. The message, sent by unidentified persons, has triggered an immediate investigation and heightened security measures around the actor's residence in central Mumbai. Police sources suggest that members of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang may be behind the threat, with extortion believed to be the motive. The Mumbai Police Crime Branch has launched a detailed probe and is currently tracing the origin of the voice note. Security outside the 40-year-old actor's residence has been significantly increased. Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone have also deployed private security personnel within their housing society. However, the presence of armed guards has raised concerns among other residents. The society's managing committee has written to police, expressing discomfort over guards carrying weapons in common areas such as the lobby, gymnasium, and children's play zone. This development comes days after a firing incident at filmmaker Rohit Shetty's residence in Juhu. At least 5 rounds were fired at the building in the early hours of February 1st. One bullet reportedly struck the glass of a gym inside the premises. Police have arrested 5 individuals in connection with the incident and claim the accused were acting on instructions from Shubham Lokar, an absconding member of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Lonkar is also wanted in cases linked to the murder of NCP leader Baba Siddique and a firing outside Salman Khan's Bandra residence. The gang has previously claimed responsibility for multiple threats and attacks targeting high-profile celebrities. Amid the security scare, Ranveer Singh continues preparations for Dhurandhar 2, which will be released on March 19, 2026. Police investigations remain ongoing.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.